In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the printer drivers for Brother GTX using a Mac computer. Open System Preferences and open Printers and Scanners. Highlight the file output and click the minus button to remove this driver. Click Delete Printer. And if we have the printer connected via network or USB, highlight it, click the minus button, and then click Delete Printer. Minimize Printers and Scanners, and then locate the downloaded installation files. Double-click the zip folder to unzip it, and then double-click the package installation. Click Continue, then click I agree to the licensing agreements. Click Install to begin the installation process. If you have a password on your computer, type that in and click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, click on Close. Then open System Preferences and go back to the Printers and Scanners folder. Click on Options and Supplies and double check that you're running the latest version of the driver.